Now that you know how to build a website and can add some pages to it, I just wanted to talk about one more thing, and that is posts. Posts in WordPress are basically blog pages. I have my website here, and this is the standard WordPress theme, nothing fancy, and on the home page we can see that it says hello world right here. This is what is called a post. This one was here by default, but it is a very easy way to add an update or a review article or something of that nature to your website. Now this doesn't apply to everyone, and that's why I have this at the end of the course, but for people who are interested, they can continue watching. So in order to add a post to your website, what you're going to do is go to your WordPress dashboard and then click on posts. Now the hello world post is there by default, and I'm just going to go ahead and trash it and click add new at the top. And we can enter the title here, fancy phone review, and I could go ahead and write my review about whatever it was going to be. Once I have my review done, I would probably want to add some pictures and some other interesting stuff. Anyway, I have my review written, and I'm going to go ahead and click on publish. Now if I come over here to my website and go refresh the page, I can see my fancy phone review is there. And when I scroll down, you can read the review, and then it would start your next item. This is good because it is very easy to get content up, and it looks fairly well without changing any formatting or anything else of that nature. Now, you may want to have some variation in your posts. This is alright for a text review or article, but you might want to have an image. You might want to have a different format. If we see down here, I could put it as a quote and then click update. Now when I refresh the page, now there are a couple other options over here that you should be aware of that are very powerful tools. However, they are very simple. Over here we can have the publish. We can change the status of it so that people on your website couldn't actually see it yet, but you could save your work. So let's just say this is a draft and click OK. And then we have published and click update. So now no one can see it on the actual live site. If we wanted to publish it on a specific time or a specific day, we could do that by changing this time and day. And then we can schedule it to post automatically at that specific time. This is very useful if you're coming out with regular content so that people can come to expect your content at a specific time, and you don't actually have to remember to post it at that time. Continuing on, we have format options. Most of the time you won't have to worry about these because you can add media and such from other places, but most of the time you won't have to worry about this. We have some categories. Categories are used if you have many posts. Then people can browse for your post through the different categories. By default, it is uncategorized. And here at the bottom we have tags. Tags are what people can use to search for. Now, you may not have a search on your website, but if you do, then people can search for these tags and it will come up with that post. Again, this is useful if you have a lot of content. More useful than just within your website, these tags will search with Google. Now, if you don't have very popular content, it may not show up very high in the rankings, but it will help you out by showing up in Google. And last but not least, we have the featured image. The featured image is what WordPress will use to display at the top of the post as the main focus. As I've mentioned throughout this course, images are a very powerful tool, and you can upload them like normal. So there you have it. That's how you use posts in WordPress. I hope you enjoyed this course. If you have, please leave a positive review on Udemy. And if you haven't enjoyed it, please contact me by sending me a message or leaving something in the discussion area before leaving a negative review to see if I can help you out. Thanks for watching.